Okay, now I'm going to show you how to disassemble the tripod leg in case any part of it gets damaged. If you send a photo of your tripod to Photoclam, you simply need to tell them which leg needs to be fixed. The first, second, third, or fourth. I'm just going to disassemble one leg because they're all the same process. So when you unlock the leg, to remove it, you simply untwist or unlock it even further, and that will allow you to pull the leg all the way out. Now, you'll notice there is a white piece of plastic around the edge of the leg. If you remove it, you'll notice that there are two holes on the side of the leg. There are two corresponding holes in the white piece of plastic that snap into place. You need to make sure that they lock back into place when you reassemble. So now you can clean your tripod with warm water or soap if you'd like to get any dust or grime off of the leg if you were shooting in rough conditions. So now you can put the piece of plastic back on, and the circle area will lock in to the leg of the tripod. You can hear it snap in, and you can feel it. Now there's a small break in the white plastic right here. If you put your finger inside the hole of the tripod leg, you will feel a raised edge of the carbon fiber. That goes into the break in the plastic. Because if you try to put it in another way, or without the lines matching up, it won't fit. So hold on to the white piece of plastic, and you can find the lip in there. And you simply push your leg back in and lock your leg back into place. And that is how you remove your tripod leg. Thank you for watching.